Hi everyone, it's Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and in this uber fast video I want to show you how you can easily create your own glitter paper. Down here in Louisiana we glitter everything, bedazzle everything. Mardi Gras is huge, and I discovered this product while doing just that, bedazzling and glittering for Mardi Gras. And I asked myself, I wonder if I could use this in card making. You can find this in most of your craft stores. Check your hardware stores as well. It's made by the company Krylon and it's called Glitter Blast. So anytime you work with anything that's an aerosol, you always want to work in a well-ventilated area. In this case, I am going to just do a quick blast here on my surface. Do as I say, well-ventilated area. I'm going to make an exception for this video. So all you're going to do is just make sure you've got your can well shook, and then you're going to just lay your piece of paper out and you're just going to spray it. And it actually dries fairly quickly. A little goes a very long way in making it look glittery. The more that you put on, the more likely it is, due to the moisture of the Glitter Blast, to change the color of the cardstock. So in this case, I have a piece of Poppy Parade in my hand, and you can already see when I lay it on another piece of Poppy Parade, it's slightly darker. What's really nice about this glitter is it doesn't rub off. It's not going to leave a glitter trail or anything like that. Also, different colors of paper are going to give you a different look. Here you can see on white, I've got it on gray, and I actually even put some on watercolor paper. So once you have it on your paper, you can simply use it as a background. You can die cut it, or what you can do is you can also stamp first and then spray the Glitter Blast on. In addition, there's a couple of other ways that you're going to be able to use it. So let's take a look at some fun samples. This was a card that we used last night to showcase the white gel pen that I love so much. But if I hold this up, you're going to see just a little bit of glitter on the pecan pie, and in this case I didn't coat the whole thing. I just did a few little select spritzes, and I'll see if I can get the camera to catch the glitter on the two die cuts, because they really do sparkle. For this one here, after I glittered it, I went ahead and put pastels over top of the glitter, and the glitter will sparkle through. And then this is the Glitter Blast on black cardstock and Glitter Blast on the basic white. So lots and lots of glitter on this. Okay, so lots of fun there. If you've got your self-adhesive die cuts, any of the ephemera or anything, you can go ahead and add the Glitter Blast over top of them, as I did on these two elements here. You are magical, but sparkled them up. Again, always start light. Once it dries, if you want a little bit more glitter, you can add more, but you don't want to just totally wash out your image by making it wet and then really, you know, a thick layer of this. A little goes a long way. Here is another one, and this one I incorporated the new silver foils rub-ons. We'll be doing a whole video featuring those, but this is Secret Sky. And just the Full of Charm element there. Created this sample for our blocks class this coming weekend to show how you can smush color onto paper using your clear blocks. And then lastly with this one, this showcases again really well. Here I went a little heavy-handed on Old Olive, so you can see how the Old Olive now is darker than the Old Olive. If you look real close behind the pears, you're going to see more of that foil, and we just created this really fun Perfectly Pears class. So again, just real quick and easy for you. You're going to be able to create your own glitter paper. Krylon Glitter Blast. Check your local craft stores, check your local hardware stores, but this is the brand name that I've been working with, Glitter Blast Diamond Dust in particular. I use it to spray all of my headbands. I've actually sprayed some of the wigs that I wear during Mardi Gras, but make sure that you do indeed use it in a well-ventilated area. And when you're doing that, you might as well just grab a couple of, quarter sheets or half sheets of cardstock and spray a few so that you have them to get crafty with. So have some fun, guys. I know this isn't something that Stampin' Up! Carries, but look how well it works with Stampin' Up! Products. So it's always fun to have other things available to extend the value and the craftiness that you have with Stampin' Up! Products. Have a great night, guys.